Hey dolls, my name is Lizy. Welcome to Nailed It. Today I'm gonna show you products that I got from Rosalind. It's been a while since last time I collaborated with them, but today they sent me this singles glitter gels. They are absolutely beautiful, all the colors that I have here. They have 40 shades. It's not just glitters or shimmers. They also have regular plain colors, so you can check the website right here. I'm gonna leave it right here, and all the info is gonna be in the description box below, so you can check the website and all the specials that they have going on, because let me tell you, Rosalind is really busy right now. Okay, so let's get to swatching. Okie dokie dolls, here we have the 6 colors that I got. What do you guys think? They are so beautiful and really good quality, and they are really easy to work with. The glitters, the bigger the glitters, it's a little bit more tricky to get an even coat, but in the second one, as you can see, it's pretty opaque. I mean, it's full glitter if you do 2 coats. Imagine if you do 3. But I don't think it's gonna be necessary because it looks really beautiful just with 2, and they shine a lot. Maybe the camera is not catching all the shine that I see in person, but it's really impressive. I love them. So I'm going to take this this that I did last week. I'm going to take it off, and I'll be right back with the design. Okie dokie dolls, I remove all the gel that I had, and I'm going to apply this one, which is the lightest pink. It's a shimmery pink. It's not glitter, it's more shimmer than glitter, and I'm going to apply it on my index, my pinky, oh, how beautiful it is. Ugh, so gorgeous. And then the thumb, and I will cure it for 30 seconds under the lamp. And now for the other 2, I'm going to use this one, which is the 58 from the mini collection that they sent me last time, and also cure for 30 seconds. Now on this little plate, I'm going to use the silver and also the glitter, the pink glitter. And I'm going to take those with this brush, a liner brush, come in a little bit, dot one blob here, and I'm going to work this glitter to make a line right in the middle of the nail. Clean up the brush and take the silver, and I'm going to put it like right down and mix it a little bit in between so we can have a beautiful transition. You see, it looks stunning. Oh my. And I will do the ring finger, but this is gonna be the opposite. I'm going to start with the silver on top and the pink on the bottom. Rosalind has a lot of specials going on right now, including giveaways, and that way you can participate and get really good prices. Don't forget to check it out. Okie dokie, now I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds and then top coat it, and I'll be right back with the end result. Oh wow. These are the most beautiful glitter gels that I've ever seen. They're so pigmented, so intense. Just look at them. I can't say even more. I can't. So thank you, Rosalind, very much for sending me these beautiful glitter gels. I hope you guys like it, and go to the website so you can get yours. They have a special going on these, and also the regular colors, the plain colors with no glitter or shimmer. Also, we have a discount code, and I'm gonna leave it right here so you can use it at checkout. Thank you so much for being here again, and I will see you on the next one. But for now, I send you all a big, big, big kiss. Mwah.